Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about me trying to fade the pink out of my hair so that I can start the new year off with a new hair color. Let's just dive right in and I'll let you know what I tried out. Here's the pink that we're starting with and I'm trying really hard to get rid of. It's mostly the middle sections of my hair and it's really inconsistent. So let's head to the bathroom. Welcome to my current bathroom. I have just brushed my hair out. See, it's just like, what? I have these two very different colors in my hair and I just want to make it a new color, but this like chunk of my head just won't wash out. The recipe that I'm going to be using is dish soap, shampoo, baking soda, mixed together. So it calls for an anti-dandruff shampoo. I know, just because those are more powerful shampoos. And that's why people use them for trying to strip color. I just don't like the idea of buying a shampoo that realistically I'm never going to use again. So I'm going to see what happens if I just use one of my other like backup shampoos, like one of my travel shampoos or whatever. Instead, probably won't be as effective as it could be. We're going to give it a shot. 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 4 tablespoons of the shampoo, 1 tablespoon of dish soap, and then you mix it all together, put it on your hair dry, and then cover your head for 20 minutes, and then wash it out. Okay, it's all mixed up. It honestly smells pretty amazing. So let's see, I'm trying to decide if I want to put this just on generally all of my hair in case there's some like pink left over, you know, like, alright, we'll just start. We'll see what happens when we just start. Ooh, that feels very abrasive, like I can feel the crunchiness to it, I guess. It's just kind of like giving me a throwback to when I used the baking soda to get rid of some of my old like grainy blue aqua that was in my hair, and that super dried out my hair. I'm sure my stylist is going to watch this and want to strangle me. Sorry. I'm sorry, I keep like trying to look over the camera into the mirror. So, probably the worst angle. Okay, it's been the 20 minutes and definitely still pink. I can't even tell if it's lighter. Like it might be in some places lighter. So I'm just gonna wash it out. Online it said you can do this like up to 3 days in a row, but I don't know if it's even doing anything, so I don't know if I wanna put my hair through that. See, I feel like these pieces are lighter on this side. Like a little bit. Anyway, yeah, it might be a little lighter. Or it might just be that there's soap in it, so it looks lighter. Anyway, I'll wash it out, see how it looks when it's dry, and then decide if I want to do this again tomorrow. Normally I only wash my hair once a week, so even just washing it 2 days in a row is going to be quite unusual for my hair. Hey guys, so this is the next day after my hair has dried, and it definitely made a difference. There's still pink in there, but it is definitely lighter than it was yesterday. So this side is still a little dark. Anyway, since it made a dent, I'm gonna go for it again today, and my hair feels totally fine. Like it doesn't even feel dry, or at least drier than normal. But maybe that's because I was using not so harsh shampoos. I don't know, but since my hair feels okay, I'm gonna go for it again today. And I also got a dandruff shampoo, so I'm gonna try it, but this time with dandruff shampoo to see how much the shampoo actually makes a difference. So same thing, day 2. Well, let's go. Already I'm noticing that the consistency is way different. This is so like gloopy. Oh yeah, that consistency is so different. It seems like because this is so much thicker, it's gonna go way farther in my hair, so I probably won't even need as many um, batches, I guess, of this concoction. After that second wash, this is the fade color that we are left with. It's still a little pink, but it's way more on the pastel side, especially comparing it to the initial color. You can see it's way lighter. So it's not a total fail, but it also, I was hoping, would just kind of knock that pink right out. After a normal wash and condition, my hair is back to feeling pretty normal, so that's good. I was a little worried there that it got kind of dry. Not terrible though. It was obviously not as successful as I had been hoping. I do not want to bleach my hair myself. I do not trust myself with that at all. So my next step is to either wait more or get it professionally fixed. Then hopefully soon I can add the new color. If you watch my ghost pepper video, you know what that color is. I've also given you some hints in my color scheme right now. Thank you guys for watching. If you have tried this method and it worked, or if you've tried any other methods to fade your dyed hair, please let us know in the comments and how it went, successful, not successful, tips, bad times, all that good jazz. If you're interested, check out the other videos that I have on my channel and maybe even subscribe. See you guys next time. Interested?